Hello friends, good morning. Today at Aryan Silks we are showing you Ikat silk cotton sarees. All these sarees are hand woven, a mixture of silk and cotton. If you like any of these sarees, please leave a comment in the comment section. You can also write to us at silksaryan@gmail.com. You can also WhatsApp at the given number. Friends, I'll show you all the sarees one by one. Here comes the first saree, a saree in lemon yellow color. I'll wear it on myself and show you friends. Lemon yellow saree with tissue red border. All these sarees come in a mixture of silk and cotton, hand woven sarees with ikat prints. This is the pallu and the saree. And there's a blouse in contrast color, a plain blouse in contrast color. The saree, pallu and blouse. If you want to buy this particular saree, please leave a comment as lemon yellow and red saree. Very nice texture friends, because this is a mixture of silk and cotton. Very smooth finishing here. Light weighted saree. You can use it for any lighter occasion. Also you can use them as daily wear for your office. We are getting huge response for these silk cotton sarees. So if you want to buy them ASAP, please do leave a comment. This is a gorgeous pink color here. The gorgeous pink color with blue tissue border. This is the pallu, blue pallu, and there is a plain blouse here again of the same color, blue. A baby pink, orange, off-white combination. Very beautiful color combination, very unique. If you want to buy this saree, please comment as pink and blue saree. The next one here comes in dark mehndi color, teal colored saree. This is the saree. This is the saree and this is the blouse. Green saree with blue tissue border and blue pallu with plain blue blouse. Beautiful color, very bright. As I mentioned earlier friends, we've got huge response for Seiko sarees. So want to buy as a, please do write to us immediately. Here comes a mango yellow saree. Beautiful bright shades. A mango yellow saree with copper sulphate blue border. Dark sky blue, copper sulphate blue tissue border. Ikat prints all over and the pallu here. A bright pallu with a plain blouse again. This is the saree. To buy this saree, please comment as mango yellow blue saree. The next one here comes is light mehndi green saree with mustard border. Light mehndi green saree with mustard border. Ikat prints all over. Very beautifully woven saree. Light design with light border. Very nice pallu here. And there's a plain blouse along with the pallu. This is the blouse here. Suitable for all simple occasions. We are getting orders from across the country to order them at the earliest so that they are not out of stock. This is again a mango yellow saree with same copper sulphate blue border but different ikat prints. Each saree is unique. You can observe each saree has different ikat prints all over. There is a pallu here with the same copper sulphate blue color and there is the blouse. The pallu, the blouse and the saree. Mango yellow, beautifully woven colors. Next one here comes is the red saree. Red Seiko saree. Mixture of silk and cotton. Very smooth texture. This is the red saree with mustard yellow tissue border. And there is a pallu here, mustard yellow pallu with a plain color blouse. Red saree, red combination. Here comes very different saree, a lemon yellow ikat saree. Very rare combination, beautiful combination. Lemon yellow with black, a very bright color saree with ikat prints all over, small orange tinge here, and there's a black pallu here, and there's a black blouse. Pallu, blouse and the saree. See how gorgeous it looks. Very nice combination. Don't miss a chance to buy these sarees, friends. And here comes an off-white saree which is in demand now, which is very trendy, which is out of stock very soon. There's only one single off-white saree here, which comes in bright combinations. Green mangoes all over, ikat mangoes all over, off-white saree with leaf green tissue border. Unique saree. We have demand for this saree from across the states. So if you want this saree, please do buy it ASAP. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. Beautiful combination of colors, off-white, green and the blouse. Hope you like all the sarees, friends. I mentioned earlier, if you want to buy any sarees from these collections, please do write to us at our email. Thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe for further updates. Thank you.